Hood and Filter is a nanotechnology services product. It replaces the traditional style of cleaning a kitchen exhaust system inside a restaurant. Hood and Filter is simple and extremely effective. Because of the nanotechnology process of particle reduction, grease is eliminated from the filter panels throughout the system all the way to the exhaust fan. The application of the technology is actually the simple part of it. Simply spray the filters once a night while the hood is on and pulling air. Slowly walk down the line spraying the panels for about 5 seconds each. Cleaning an entire system takes less than 60 seconds. Rinse the panels once a week and the grease falls off right to the bare metal. While you're rinsing the panels, the system is open and the plenum can be directly applied to. Take advantage of this during this time to walk down the line of the vent hood system again, spraying the product directly into the plenum while the system is on. And that's it. The vent hood stays bare metal clean 365 days a year. No more labor, time, or mess trying to clean filter panels. Hood and Filter eliminates the need of traditional style pressure washer cleaning through technology by simply spraying filter panels once a night. Hood and Filter keeps your vent hood bare metal clean every day, not just once a quarter.